Well, hi everybody. Good Tuesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski. A few clouds lingering across southern Nebraska and northern Kansas this morning. Those will be pushing away from us, and we'll see more and more sunshine as the day progresses. West winds will turn more southwesterly with time, just a touch breezy, especially for folks out in western portions of Nebraska. Getting into tonight, a pretty quiet night ahead of us. Still a little breezy out there. We'll start to see a few clouds enter the picture tomorrow morning. And as we get into the day tomorrow, increasing cloud cover. And it starts off pretty innocent tomorrow morning, a decent February morning out there, but things will change quickly, and all because of that blue line up in northern Nebraska. The blue line with the triangles, that is a cold front, and that is going to bring some big changes during the day tomorrow. First off, I will note, and I'm going to take this very slowly. I'm not going to run this through normally. I want to take this very slowly. Watch the arrows behind that front. Watch the cloud cover and watch the precipitation. So the arrows will turn northwesterly, then northerly. By noon, that front's over southeast Nebraska. Basically, that's where our winds are changing direction. That front will quickly push to the southeast. Then watch those winds in the afternoon, turning northerly and really cranking up. So by the end of the day, it's going to be windy out there, and temperatures will have dropped quite a bit by the end of the day as well. Maybe a little light rain or snow behind that front. I don't think we'll see a lot. That's not the big story with this cold front coming through, and I'll back this up just a little bit. Again, we can see a few light rain or snow showers, but it's not going to be a big issue. It'll push out of here by Wednesday night. But those winds are going to be sticking around Wednesday night, especially in the evening hours, and temperatures will take the plunge Wednesday night into Thursday morning. So, before we get to that, let's check out today's forecast. High temperatures today. Again, another decent day, slightly above average, or average high in the Tri-Cities. All three locations, 39 degrees today, so we'll be about 3 degrees above that. Lower 40s, maybe a couple of mid-40s down towards the south and southwest. So pretty uniform temperatures around most of the area. Dropping back into the 20s and maybe lower 30s for overnight lows tonight. So not a bad night ahead of us tonight. Tomorrow's the deceiving day, though, as we will see highs in the 30s and 40s, but some of these will be earlier day highs, especially for you folks in northern portions of Nebraska. It's really all about the temperatures and where they'll go later in the day tomorrow. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to bring up our future temperatures product here. And I'm going to start this at tomorrow at 8 o'clock here. And watch what happens here. Yeah, we warm up initially. By noon, we're up there in the 30s and 40s, but then watch what happens in the afternoon. Here comes that colder air. I'm taking this very slowly here. By 6 p.m., so supper time Wednesday, if you're coming home from work or something like that, it will be much colder out there Wednesday evening. Temperatures in the teens up north, 20s in the south, maybe still a few low 30s in the far southeast. So it's going to be a very cold, and that's not even factoring the wind chills by 6 o'clock Wednesday evening. I'll show you those in just a bit. So ultimately, temperatures will drop back into the single digits for overnight lows, maybe some teens in southwest Nebraska, but below zero across northeastern Nebraska. So a very cold night ahead of us. This is Thursday morning's temperatures right there. It's going to be a very cold start to your day Thursday, and Thursday is going to be a cold day out there. Teens, 20s, some 30s out towards the west. Already starting to see some recovery out there. But again, that's just part of the story. Look at the wind chills now. Now this is Wednesday evening. Let's go back here. 6 o'clock Wednesday evening. Again, these are your wind chills as it starts to get dark Wednesday evening. And then watch how they get colder and colder through the night. And by the time we get towards early Thursday morning, say around 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, wind chills down below zero, the teens below zero in the Tri-Cities, 20s below in Omaha. Look at Sioux Falls, 33 below, and some models actually have it down into the 40s below in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. So very cold air in place. It'll be a bitterly cold morning, Thursday morning. Now, the good news is as the day progresses on Thursday, and we'll go back to those forecast highs, the winds will relax a little bit, so they won't be nearly as strong during the day Thursday, and we will have some sun return. So while it will be a very cold day, the winds will at least help as they do die down through the day, and the sunshine will help as well. Well, let's get looking now at that 7-day forecast. We've kind of talked about this already here as we look at the next 7 days. Again, today, pretty decent. Tomorrow, it starts off good, but things will go downhill. Very cold Wednesday night, Thursday morning. A cold day Thursday, but the sunshine returns. Again, that minimal precipitation Wednesday afternoon as that front passes through. Another cold start Thursday morning, but That's not a big drop off, really. Excuse me, Friday morning, not Thursday morning, but Friday morning. So we'll go from 22 for a high Thursday down to 14 Friday morning, but it's not a big drop. And then south winds are going to pick up during the day on Friday, which is Valentine's Day there. So we'll get up to the lower 40s thanks to those stronger southerly winds. It will be a little on the windy side on Friday. Still a bit breezy Saturday, but we're pushing into the upper 40s. How about lower 50s on Sunday? Some models have us warmer than that. Lots of sunshine expected on Sunday. A few more clouds Monday, but it looks like we're not going to get much precipitation as a system comes through here. Mostly dry conditions. So I only threw in a chance of sprinkles or flurries in as we look towards Monday. Might get a little bit breezy again. And as you look long range, again, it's this one little hiccup in the road here for Thursday. Outside of that, lots of above average coming here. So if you can deal with about a day and a half of crappy weather, crummy weather, overall, we've got some pretty good weather ahead of us here. So again, Wednesday afternoon through most of Thursday, not very nice. But after that, it's going to get better beyond that. And even, again, long-range forecast models through the rest of the middle of the month show temperatures staying above average and likely going to see a fairly dry weather pattern. There isn't a lot of moisture coming over the next 7 to 10 days here. One last graphic I'll show you is the big long-range trends here. Here comes that cold weather Wednesday night into Thursday. And we're getting a glancing blow of Arctic air, but then it quickly pushes to the east. We warm right back up Sunday. Really nice weather returning. It might even stick around for Monday before we cool back a little bit, but not overly cold. You'll notice none of that pink showing up. That's going to stay way off to our north. So we'll get, we'll be a little chillier than Sunday by most of next week, but not bitterly cold by any means. There's still some decent weather on the way. Well, with that, I will let you all go. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. We'll talk to you all again on Wednesday morning. So enjoy your Tuesday, and we'll talk to you all later. God bless. Bye.